All right, let's look at number 1. Kyle tallied the number of children who wore green. How many children wore green? Let's go ahead and count the tallies together. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. There were 18 children wore green. And it says twice as many children wore green as yellow. So what that means is only half the kids wore yellow that they wore green. So half of 18 is, get ready, 9. All right, let's show 4:53 on the clock. We're going to draw that in. Number 3 says draw 3 baskets. Draw 4 oranges in each basket. How many oranges did you draw? So we have 3 groups of 4. So let's count by 4s. 4, 8, 12. We have 12 oranges. Number 4, draw a small square to show the right angle in the triangle. Remember, we drew a little square. Number 5, I have 2 quarters, 1 dime, 3 nickels, and 4 pennies. Draw the coins. So we've got the coins in there. So we've got 2 quarters, a dime, 3 nickels, 4 pennies. That's 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 cents.